How to transfer WhatsApp chats to a new phone. This tutorial shows you how to initiate a chat transfer directly from your old Android device. First, open the WhatsApp app on your Android device. After that, tap on the three dots at the top right corner to open the menu. From there, tap on Settings to open your WhatsApp settings. At this point, tap on Chats to open the chat settings. In the next step, tap on Transfer Chats to begin the transfer process. Following this, your camera will automatically open, ready to scan a QR code. Once done, on your new phone, open WhatsApp and go through the setup process until you reach the transfer screen where a QR code will be displayed. From here, point your old phone's camera at the QR code shown on the new device to scan it. Finally, once the QR code is scanned, the transfer will begin automatically, and all your chats and media will be moved to your new device. And that's it. If this WhatsApp guide helped you transfer your chats to a new phone, give it a like, subscribe for more WhatsApp tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.